Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to convert USDT to Solana on your Phantom wallet. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently right now we are on our Phantom wallet in the home page, and so we're going to turn our Solana to USDT. But in case you don't know, you will need an extra amount of Solana to cover for the fees. So if you have the exact amount of Solana you would like to turn to USDT and you need to add a bit more, all you have to do is go top and then click on buy. Once you click on buy, you're going to search for whatever token, so for of course Solana, and then from here you're going to decide however much amount you would like. So for example, in my case, $10 should be good. Now from here it's going to show you the options that you would like to pay for. So Stripe is the one that we are given, so credit card or debit card. Click continue. Once you do so, it's going to send you to another link, so for it here, crypto.link.com. And then from here, as you can see, we are given the option that we're going to pay for it in USD, and you can change whatever currency. So for example, USD if you are in the US or Euro if you're outside. Then from here, click on continue. And then from here, it's going to show you that it's going to log in for this device, and it might ask you for your email address. So if it does, just provide it or any other information such as your name and your last name. From here, it's going to confirm for the Solana wallet address. Click on use this wallet. And then finally here, all you have to do is add your credit card information and then click on buy, and then you'll receive it to your Solana account instantly. Now, once you have done the transfer, all you have to do is select your Solana button. And then from here, you're going to click on sell. Once you do click on sell, it's going to show you the options that you can sell it to. So for example, right here, click on receive, and then we're going to choose Ethereum network. And as you can see, Tether USD is right there. And so from here we can transfer to USD by simply filling however much we would like. And just like that, it will going to send it and transfer it instantly, and you will have it in your wallet. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.